everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So this is one of our other outside vlogs, and Mr. Jerome is here to move the garden beds. Those are the 3 garden beds right there. This is where they used to be. They used to be like horizontal, but now we're gonna have them vertically so we can get around them, because it was really hard to get around to some of those other ones being so close up against. But he's gonna clean all this up, and he's gonna put new dirt into the beds, the new beds. So that's pretty much what's going to be happening outside.
Alrighty, you guys, so we're out in the garden, and again, I still don't feel like I'm quite communicating right. So these beds are right? I wanted 3 beds this way, but I wanted them closer to the fence. I just didn't want them on the fence like they were last time. No big deal. It is what it is. See, because they're right off the back of my porch, which I didn't want that. I'd much preferred it be, you know, about halfway over this way, because I feel like I'm going to be in the, I don't know, it just feels like it's in that way for me, and I'm losing yard space. But what I'm going to try to do is find some tires, some of those big like tractor tires, and just make this whole space here garden. So Mr. Jerome got all 3 of the beds moved, and I thought he was going to do the cleaning out. He did not. So the kids and I, we're actually going to clean this mess now. We're going to get up these leaves. We're going to just rake a little. We're going to pick up all the bottles. I'm going to get my workspace set up out here. So that's what we're going to work on right now. Alrighty, you guys, so we are done for the day. Good granny almighty. I'm telling you right now. Oh, it's just hot. So this is where I had that one larger bed, right? So that's all cleared out. What I think I'm going to do is, since this space is already here, is I'm just going to lay my kiddie pools to do radishes in. So we left those 2. Those are strawberry plants, but I'm going to have to go and take everything out and just weed out and start over fresh with that. But we got all the leaves, or the majority of the leaves, out. Here's my grapevine. I gotta fertilize that. And then these 2 beds that were here, of course, are now here. So we have this bed, we have that bed, and we have that one. And then what else we were able to do, I was able to move my prep station over here. Although I still think I'm gonna move that table and put it right back in the middle. So I'm you know, not having to walk all the way down here, then all the way. So I think I'm gonna move the prep table, but I have my prep table. I've got watering cans. I've got a wheelbarrow, and then these are all my buckets. And then my 3 kiddie pools that are there, we will eventually move to this part of the garden. I do have my, down there are my tomato cages. And so we'll get those all spread out. But for right now, it looks a ton better than when we first came out. So it's all good. My water hose is busted, so I have to toss that and get a new one. But that's not a today's problem. So anywho, you guys, there that is. So there it is, y'all. We're starting garden prep, right? March will be here before too long. I just wanted you all to be able to see what the kids and I are working on. And we're getting it done. Yard's looking really good. We got all the leaves up. Mr. Jerome got all the bags taken, except today the bags that we had from cleaning up the garden was like 4 bags. And we'll either just put a few in the trash can this week, a few next week, or Mr. Jerome will be around it soon to cut the grass, and we'll just have him take them away. I am going to be working in the sitting area in a little bit. Hadn't started that project just yet, and don't plan to today. Anywho, I got to take Jackson to Taekwondo, so we are going to bid you adieu. We do thank you all so much for stopping by. Let us know how your gardens are turning out. I'm pretty pleased with the work the kids and I got done. So anywho, there it is. You like the video? Thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.